Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we got this thing back. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we got the SS back from paint. On the last episode, if you guys remember, we actually dropped it off at my paint and body guy shop. And he was painting the fenders. He actually ended up painting the fenders, the hood, and the front bumper. So basically the whole front clip got painted. And let me tell you guys, it looks 1000% way better, man. This car looks cherry now. Let me show you real quick. Yes sir guys, as you guys can see, the car looks way better. I'll put a clip so I can show you guys what it used to look like. My whole fender, all this, the clear, we had a big old spot where the clear was peeling. That's been done. The hood had a whole bunch of like I don't know, like somebody threw a rock at it when it was parked at some shop, and you can still see this one right here. They weren't able to fix this one, but man, he fixed most of them and it looks 1000% better. The hood over here had like a crazy chip somewhere here, and now it's gone. The clear was peeling right here, somewhere like right here, and now man, she is looking way better. The front bumper was missing clear right here in the bottom. Now it's all painted, and man, the car just looks 1000% better, guys. Look at that, man. I am super happy. Of course, we got the new headlights, new turn signal lights. Yes sir, they're Depot brand, I believe. Depot brand headlights. The turn signals, I just got them some cheapy ones off of eBay. But yes sir, man, the SS, oh man, she is coming along. She's not perfect, okay? She's not perfect. She still got little imperfections like this right here. She has a chip right here. She has a scratch, some weird shaped scratch right here that needs to be touched up. But I want to say that's it. The whole car is super clean. Oh, and the dreaded 98 through 2002 taillight lens popping thing, I don't even know what to call it. It just happened to me. Freaking reverse taillight popped off the lens. This one is on its way out, so I'm gonna try to fix them, put some maybe some glue around it, like some strong glue, maybe some Gorilla Glue or something like that, because I want to keep these lights. I don't want to replace them. They're actually getting really hard to find, and they're really expensive. You can buy the acorn or whatever, the candy cane looking style tail lights on eBay all day long for $100, but these tail lights, they're getting super expensive to find. So I definitely want to try to fix it. I actually have my lens. This is my tool shop. I just gotta go buy the right glue, try to glue it and see if it works. If not, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to replace them. But yep, other than that, man, the car is looking cherry, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I think the next thing that we're gonna do is some tint, because my tint is all bubbling up. See that? Just really old tint. I actually can't even see out the back window. So I'm gonna be putting some tint on the car. I do want to lower it, but at the same time, this car came with the suspension package. See, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's all blurry. Suspension system. So I don't want to change anything that's gonna take away from the car. I want to keep it as original as I can. So it came with the suspension system. It came with the 345 horsepower center exhaust. So I don't want to change out my exhaust either. I actually just put an electric cutout to make it a little bit louder. But the muffler I want to keep, because I believe it's the SOP muffler. The suspension is Bilstein suspension, shocks and springs. They actually used to make springs back in the day. So I don't really want to mess with it too much. But at the same time, man, this thing looks like a freaking four-wheel drive vehicle. Like it's ready to go off-roading. It's so high. And then it just needs to drop. So man, let me You guys let me know what you guys think. Should I go ahead and drop the car and screw it, or should I just keep it original? Because like I said, this car is a 35th anniversary SS car. They only made so many, and most of them were modified and, you know, beat on and stuff like that. So I kind of just want to keep this car as original as I can, just like a cruiser, a nice cruiser. And then my black C28, that's the one where I want to go heavy on the modifications. But yes, sir. Hope the neighbor's leaving. She probably thinks I'm crazy. You guys let me know what y'all think, man. Is the vision coming through or what? The paint looks so much better. I actually picked this car up maybe like 5 days ago, and I haven't done anything other than wash it. I washed it and I just put the car cover on top of it, and I just kept it like that. I remember I have to wait 45 days before I can cut and polish this paint, and then put ceramic coating on it. So I don't really want to drive it too much. I don't want any rock chips or anything like that to happen to the front end, because like I said, the front end is the thing that got sprayed. So this car's just gonna be sitting. The next thing is gonna be tint. I need to do some tint. And also I raced a buddy of mine a couple days ago in his stock formula. I don't know if you guys remember that video. It's actually in my channel, his formula. We found it, man. It was like a barn find. Like, it was sitting for like 5 years. Found that car, brought it back to life, and I actually went cruising the other day with him, and I just did a friendly run with him. You know, he's stock, completely stock, so we were just trying to test out the cars where they're at. I'll go ahead and post the video. Yeah, man, that's basically the only thing that I've done to this car, and whenever that's the only thing that I've done with this car. Whenever I raced them, I noticed my my drive shaft, I believe it's my drive shaft, started rubbing against the tunnel. I could hear it. So I think I blew out the transmission mount or the torque arm mount. So those are gonna be replaced. I'm gonna be going through this car through all the bushings on it. I'm gonna do polyurethane bushings, the sway bars front and rear, the torque arm, control arms, the transmission mount, everything guys. I'm gonna be doing polyurethane. Sorry about that. There's like allergies this spring here in Texas. It's been super windy. I don't know if it's been super windy where you guys live, but man, it's just been bad, guys. It's been bad. I can barely talk. Oh, UPS, man. Hopefully he's dropping some parts for me. Nope, maybe so. Come back. Oh, it's probably for my wife. My wife stays ordering parts or stuff for the house. All right, guys, had to go sign some stuff. UPS, man, it was my wife. She stays ordering stuff. I think it's awesome. She actually orders more parts or more things than me. So anyways, mechanically, guys, the car is great. We just fixed the AC on it. The AC is working ice cold, complete once over the car, oil, coolant, everything, guys. You guys name it. The only thing that I have to do now is my belts. I gotta swap out my belts and one pulley, because man, it's squeaking like the dickens. Let me tell you guys, it's super loud. But other than that, mechanically, the car is great. It's a cam only car. Maybe later on we'll get more power to it. For right now, it's plenty of power for me. It's maybe making like 330 horsepower to the wheel. It is automatic, so like 330. It's 3200 stall. So man, it's just a fun little street car. I'm not looking to be, you know, hurting feelings with this car or anything like that. I just want something nice that I can take to the shows. This is gonna be my show queen, basically. This is what I want. So man, yes sir, super happy, guys. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do to it, change the wheels, maybe the headlights, maybe add a Pro Charger, nitrous, turbo, let me know, guys. This car is an unmolested, well, I say unmolested, it's almost an unmolested 35th anniversary SS car. Like, it still has the stock factory box. This is what it came with. Super rare box. If you're an F-Body guy, you know about it. So it has everything: cruise control, power steering, AC, this traction control thing, crap, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I actually do have to fix my ABS module, because this is a really common thing on F bodies. This right here went out and it's making my ABS light come on, so I gotta replace that. Other than that, man, this car is pretty solid, guys. I do need new tires. Check these tires out. Whenever I raced my buddy, I was spinning for days. Look at the dry rot. Look at that. Oh, that's so bad. That is so bad. So yeah, I actually bought these rims off of eBay, and they came with the tires for a really good price. And this was like, man, maybe like 2 years ago, and I was just supposed to be getting the wheels for the rims and then put new tires. Nope, I just kind of been running these. You know, I've done burnouts in them. I've raced in them. Pretty stupid if you ask me, but let me know what you guys think of the wheels. I might swap them. I'm kind of on the fence about them. They're like the American Racing 200 SS, I believe is what they're called, and they're like the Intimidator SS style wheel, kind of like the Torque Thrust, but just the spokes are a little bit wider. So I'm either thinking about getting them powder coated gray, just the center of them with the polished lip, or sell them and get some different wheels. Not 100% sure what I want to do, guys. You guys let me know. But yes sir, man, she is looking good. I am super happy with this car, how it's coming out. The paint basically matches pretty perfectly, honestly. It's not, I'm not gonna say it's 100%, but man, it matches pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So yes sir, man, finally got this thing painted. But yes sir, guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Sorry, it was just basically me rambling. I didn't really have anything planned for the car. Like I said, I just got it painted, so I don't really want to drive it. I don't want to risk getting any like rock chips or anything like that. It's gonna be sitting for a while, and then I'm gonna cut, buff, and ceramic coat it. So yes sir, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Peace out.